In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view video transcripts in Google Drive. This feature makes it much easier to interact with video content by allowing you to read, search, and navigate spoken content without having to watch everything from start to finish. It's especially useful for studying, reviewing long recordings, or quickly locating specific information within a video. Before you begin, make sure the video you want to use has captions available. Google Drive now supports automatic caption generation, which helps simplify this process. If you're not sure whether captions exist for your video, you can quickly check and create them if needed. To do this, go to your Google Drive and locate the video file. Right-click on the file to open a list of options. From there, move to File Information and then select the option to manage caption tracks. In this section, you will find the ability to generate automatic captions. Simply choose that option, and Google Drive will process the video and create captions for you. Once captions are ready, open the video by double-clicking on it. This will launch the built-in video player directly in your browser, allowing you to watch the content without leaving Google Drive. As the video begins to play, look toward the bottom right corner of the player. You will see a settings icon that looks like a small gear. Click on this icon to open a menu of playback options. If transcripts are available for the video, you will see an option labeled Transcript in this menu. Clicking on the Transcript option will open a panel beside the video player. This panel displays the full transcript, organized into clearly separated sections with timestamps. These timestamps help you understand exactly when each part of the conversation takes place. One of the most useful features of this transcript panel is the built-in search function. At the top of the panel, you will find a search bar where you can type specific words or phrases. This allows you to quickly locate moments in the video where those terms are mentioned, saving you time and effort. The transcript is also interactive. When you click on any line of text, the video will instantly jump to that exact moment. This makes it incredibly easy to review specific sections without manually scrubbing through the timeline. As the video continues playing, the transcript will automatically highlight the current spoken line. This helps you follow along in real time and better understand the content being presented. And that's it. You now know how to view and use video transcripts in Google Drive, making your video experience more efficient and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.